Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll try to understand what are the private endpoints. Basically, you have a scenario. You have started working on the Azure side, and you have created your resources like SQL Server, and you have created ADF Azure Data Factory. Basically, you want to access your SQL Server in the Azure Data Factory and any other resources like blob storage. You want to use it in Azure Data Factory. So it will all time the problem is network. Suppose think that your client has some blob storage. You want to use it in your ADF. So you want to store the output of the ADF or files into the your client uh, storage account or any store any databases. So in that case, they have to allow you or whitelist you your IP address, right? So there is a scenario. You want to basically access your own resources within the Azure portal. So in that case, the networking access is very important because you cannot connect directly. If you are a owner of the resources, then you can whitelist yourself and you can do a lot of stuff. So there is a scenario to create a private endpoint. Basically, what private endpoint will do, there are many ways to do that, but private endpoint is the one way to enable your all resources to access within your Azure portal. Okay, suppose you have a VNet, all the resource groups are attached to the VNet virtual network, so then you can easily use it. Okay, so what private endpoints does, it will take a one of the IP address within your virtual network. So if you create an endpoint for the SQL Server, endpoint for the ADF, endpoint for the keywords, endpoint for the storage accounts. So basically, one IP address is assigned within your virtual network. So when you create that endpoints, so you can easily access between the any resources. Okay, so this is what the endpoint does, and you can privately or see public if you want to access over the internet the portal Azure portal. You should have a public IP to access that. Otherwise, you cannot do that. That's the reason the endpoints enables a private IP. If you have an IP, you can easily connect any resources. So let's see where to create that. If you in Azure portal, you have something called private link center. Under that, you can create either private link services directly or the endpoints here. So endpoints I have created right now for Data Factory, Vault, and Blob Storage. So, there is one IP is assigned directly to this. Okay. Yeah, this is what this much is enough for the endpoint. So endpoint is now created. So you can access all these resources through your other resources like ADF and all. And keep watching my videos. Subscribe to my channels for the latest updates. And thank you for watching.